Hello folks, this is the coronavirus, and as you can see it has a few spikes on it, what we call as spike proteins. And these are basically hands and legs of the virus to attack the human cells and to gain access into the human cell. And the virus also has a genetic material, um, and a small segment of this genetic material actually has a blueprint or a recipe to prepare these spike proteins. So spike protein by itself is not a virus, it's only a tool for the virus to attack our cells. So this genetic material, a small segment of this genetic material is what is injected into us through the vaccine. And once it enters the body and it is taken up by a few cells in our body, and the cells read this blueprint and then start producing spike proteins. And this spike proteins again does not cause any infection since it's not a virus. And this spike protein is then released into the bloodstream, and in the bloodstream we have few defender cells. And these cells recognize these proteins as foreign proteins and produce some antibodies to neutralize them. So again, over the next uh, 3 to 4 weeks, our body develops more and more antibodies. And in case if we are exposed to any coronavirus, the antibodies which are circulating in our system recognizes the spike proteins and attack them, and thereby neutralizing the virus altogether. So in other words, with the vaccine, we're not being injected with uh, the virus itself, but just a genetic material